came to brag. After they were listening, before she came, she took your advice.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mary, you know I don't like putting my feet on the floor. Please call your people to come here because I am here to address only one incident. I am here to talk about Akuapem Polo. Good evening, Daniel. Good evening, EB Forcing. I want everybody to be here today because what needs to be said is about to go down now. Before I open my mouth and talk, this is my prayer shot. Obia woni me bia nim say, ade a me di gumiti ebo mpaye e wa asori dem ni. Asem a me ba be ka ne no. Se me twamu ntro ba akokora wonyame wonkonkono, onje me kra emfiri me nsem. Asem a me be ka na nwewe no. If I say one iota of lie here, nyame wonkonkono onje me kra emfiri me nsem. Asema beka no so a woni mo hwe na ba betina beka tro kwase a comment nyame wonkonkono onje wo kra emfi wo nsem ansa na be bie ma no John come me say I am here to talk about Akuapem Polo timonyi maso share you people want to hear come and stand here. What is your name?
John.
I can't hear you.
John.
Do you remember the day that it came on news that some people have reported Akuapem Polo to police over the child's picture? What happened?
No, you called her telling her that she should go and plead. You would even go with lawyers to beg for it. And then that evening, I don't know, it was like at the back of the phone, she was having a party. So she was in a rush and she was like, okay, mommy, mate. But later on, she came to say something different. And you were even disappointed that, like, I didn't went to Wafutu. Later on, that's when she came to apologize and all that. So.
Thank you. Go and do what you were doing. Me say me baby ni me nuanu mu didi. Na me tie Peace FM News. And I me say Child Rights Organization for a reporting Akuapem Polo. Asem way I make on what Akuapem Polo no that pleasing no. Onim say eye no kore. When you are a big sister to somebody, you don't come and advise the person on social media. Me fa phone na me frɛ Akuapem Polo. Na me ka chen say dia why no. It is not right. Brande be video ne soon. I am quoting me to you people. Branda be video ne suna pagana for achew. Uria me lawyer nkrabe e fadate. Me lawyer ne Gary ni mako. Don't run away from the police. I will go with you with my lawyer to the Child Rights Organization and go and beg them. Na ye kuma asem no police station. I told her me fa phone Akuapem Polo e kan sa asem ne kire no e ma wo ka kire me say mommy me da say ade chi no akoje legal advice every na lawyer for no ho abetina se say a artistic impression na why an artistic impression when na mani awia me mo pese me ko kaden mo pese me ko kaden oba fo podie e compliment because your mother never achieved what I have. Oh my media me won onye bi danu so onye bi pa. I called the girl and I asked her to come out and apologize. I offered my lawyers. The next thing she was granting interviews. Said, yes, many bro because what were ban nakedness. Na bra never say na me lawyer be to say Gary ni mako. Anan krabia e fadate enko part of woman eno na ye ni brem eno ena ye ni brem as say mumani abrem so say me meka de yen me fa fu na me fra Akuapem Polo no na me nua kwabena wo ho na madam Fumosho wo ho na me PA Richard me former PA Richard no wo ho me background no wo ho na Tiny wo ho. Who else was there? Madam for Tiny Rasta Oton for no wo ho. Mosho now I will tell you are live on speakerphone. Asam buy and the na me friend e kwa people look at her.
Asam buy last year June.
Uh-huh.
Like around 6 p.m. on Mokan Peace FM News.
Okay.
What year I say me bay. Asam will be a gra. I won't bet me and away. I cry as child right activist. I am not happy about this, but my main friend. Now I'm in country and say on Pacho, also and Pacho Ghana for. So super Chawa, Ghana for a little memorial channel. And one Casa over one man and lawyers. You mentioned 2 as lawyers in Ghana, which Darby Bernison, Krabia. So while beginning, I'm one among my woman child rights. And that night, it was one of the best messages for years I didn't as if we to a because you didn't tell you say, oh, Mamma, that's it. I think the more you practice for the banner and more that was a sword. That was it. Why?
More show me that's why. And how why? What's that getting already?
You're not getting or by a better impression or artistic impression. Instead of coming to bed, but none of us yesterday and check. That's all.
A dear be my person coming here. Statistic impression, you know, catch and say many brini. All my part, only moon and many co brini. A dear be my person coming here. Mean tramity because it will be a cotum. Mean come home. Oh, be a me a judge. Me a more court. Me say me far phone frag we polono. Now we were more than 8 people sitting on a table, having dinner and listening to news. As someone make a way, me say I swear by the God of Mopa. As someone make a way, I swear with my life. I swear with my life. Say wambara, na wambe sume pakana fuacho. Moso kacha me say me boa. Kacha me say me boa. Didn't I offer to pay her legal fees?
Oh yeah.
I gave you numbers and here. I am drunk. It is your stupid mother that is drunk. It is your stupid mother that is drunk. And you are familiar with them. I gave you numbers and here. Yen kuma sem no na ase ye artistic rights. And I got the consultation free one lawyer for. Why are Ghanaians forcing me down? Me didn't know a Christian and I can't on account. Again, I'm a person here. Again.
People don't like you, they are happy. And the people when they have issues now be thanking you. So what do they want?
Again, when you come now, I sent you a call with us some time. Anybody did my time. And now, Quastia for some time. I said, no, never bono. More person is soon. Minya ready. Hey, Mabo Badamo. Mo jale. Say the coffee will do cano. Mo jale. I can call more than 7 people who come and tell you, me friend we are being polo in the middle of dinner on a table at ATM News. I can call more than 7 people that come ready who may banana baraka to confess this. A dear be my boss me. A dear mo jale. E kwama for mo jale. Ma poor madam. A dear number me. I offered to pay her legal fee. I offered. Odino kuramana home. Nobody here for Bible the didn't see her and never be our dano. Maybe mother, I'll be ringing in her head. Because I told her, Sewa me pagana for Chewa. It will be war. I told the Kuapin Polo what will happen. I told the Kuapin Polo, me cut them. I offered to help. No, quality advice. Every in the council, and the council make sure so make us artistic rights. Now we're exercising human rights. Then they will go 90 days. I'm with mo jale. Yare. Mo yare dam. Ma bo boadam. Court or move ho. Me na go to a statement. Mo why? And it's me far phone. I send the buyer. I called her. I offered to help her. As a big sister that I was to her. I offered to help her. I offered to even pay legal fees. You chassis poor Jimmy for. Yeah, and Polo. What do I stand to gain from it? What does she have that I don't have 10 times of that? Again, Polo, wow. Sadia Mimi do. And I said, June, it will be fee. Again, a dino hang of Caswa Millennium. A dino hang of Caswa Millennium. And yet, Diawato. Millennium City means who I met up mental sitting. What jolly. What jolly can for more jolly damomotim. More so be no binama. No more yarn, more crazy problem. We are not better with the chassis. Now we be driving home. I'll put down. We are now catch up with answer many people. A dear no grabbing polo. Why? Maybe what that meaning be a dear, meaning the times then, a dear. Emma, me made it 20 years. Me made it 20 fucking years. May you have better work. So when you want me catch them, I will boil them. Do you feed me? Do I eat in your house? Huh? What about my baby? I need you all. Mo shale on my way. Yari any down. A dear be a number me, a dear beam, and a number maintain me check, and I come here to me one will be. Wow, bomb down what it. Wow, bomb you trasily down. Wow, bow down. No. Miss Mimi mother, I called the crapping pool. I called her. I advised her. I offered my lawyers. I offered something to call Gary Nimakua. Near quarter rights, one from no as soon as patrol. I even told her, said, you are an actress. So act and cry. Now we soon are gonna fall. What else did you want me to do? Can I metro free polo? There are numbers in here. Me metro free polo.
No, if you say the truth, you should go and say if you didn't follow.
Why are you bothering yourself? Why are you bothering yourself? Why are you bothering yourself? I deal with pen. Nensaka. So what's all trending? What trending? What's all trending? What trending? Obiya nyame na masunyume. Asuwe. Obiya nyame. Menya djuma court. Menya djuma e court. Why are they who are they to question me? Why? Dear no mo who are they to question me? Huh? Who are they to question me on what grounds? On what grounds? Maybe throw free polo. I showed her how to free herself. Mo show me boy catch on me boy. Free polo no and so be try no kwanya. Wo be fa so wunya amane no. Ah?
Before you go west, you told them.
What dear just bibia na ka me friend na ka mo social media. Hello, e clapping polo. Unim. Hey. The way na yo, fe Gary Nimakua, fe hwan yo. Nkura system no China food ni jimi no. Abo boada. Munnim nyansa. money abere na kana bi na kan pese mu di police for attend. Hey, a police for akron for o ma kwaje bribe. A police for akron for ma o ma kwaje bribe na ha mo. Ma bo bada mo jare. Mo kwa ka obi ntina girl ye na go to. Ma bo bada mo jare. Mo ka say emotions a loss. Mary, mo ka say emotions no a loss on. Mo ka say emotions a loss. Nanso so you say makasawie wa ne nti ase nkodi bin wa ne nti ase no ni wi afansa bom neta fere obo ne wona asia Mary hiti me ba nko ne metela apia ne mama me ko na de bra me o woni ntwi be ko kakra mama ate me pe me ko anu o hinte sa mefe ye de asem ne kwa wie no me your bad time me bedru fie no a me hu me ba de ebena na me hwe me ba dwom na me hwe me ba Mary na ye me ya e ma ne ba no eye me ya ma akua pimpolo ba no so be pointing in saka say ex convict ba na ekon eye me ya ma akua pimpolo ba no enso asi it has happened there was a sinasi entino His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo Nana yesi wo ba ni gu na so ayentwa me e ka me kwa kapolo no hye no enka 90 days no kwa nke so mo ma na 90 years e ka me kwa but ne ba no the child will be crying now. Imagine so ochina okodi agwa nana ochina okodi agwa e die na ne na fofo beka enti nana we di Madam Lawyer Gary, my friend lawyer. Lawyer Gary, Madam Roma. I know what you people can do. I know what you people can do. I know what you people can do. See, Lawyer Gary, me, I am not condoning that foolishness. And I'm saying it again. I don't sympathize with the people in any way. But Madam Roma, yes, Ramo. Semuni moa enyeyi entino we will just say temper you can say justice with mercy and you opiene kra oye ex convict opiene ko ex convict and I say you can say some reduce kra ba community cleaning kra lawyer munya bibi I know you people can work on it. And you know, I'll make phone calls. His Excellency Pamacho, you can reduce the sentence to 7 I said, you know, and also sentencing umpono, more referring to any counseling. Nothing. And once I say no counseling whatsoever, nothing that will benefit the person. And you know, I saw training the money amano. So when Sia we answer, minim you be Sia answer. No, but Nancy we are. Obey who you are na downful. Any you obey any downful. And His Excellency Nana. Yes, Remo. My ye be much reno. Baninti. Temper justice with mercy. That's what dear. 3 days be 4 days be 1 week be. More man presidential pardon. Now more community the sentence no. Into something community sentence or something. Because we are talking about the well-being of the child as well. Me, I still remain Nana Queen, a fierce fascinator. What time you cry? What here? What show me? That's how it is. Yeah, the common sense and the Bob. Oh my boy.